Cheddar, sour cream, salt and vinegar too. You sample them all, cause the crisp is so good on your lips. Yeah. You left your wallet at home, but now you have a new best friend.
Welcome to Fast Food Factory, where we take you behind the scenes of how your favorite fast foods are made. In today's video, we're crunching into the world of Lay's potato chips, from the moment they arrive at the factory to the final delicious bite. But before we get started, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more awesome videos. Tap the notification bell so you never miss out on the behind-the-scenes magic of your favorite snacks. Fun fact, did you know that Lay's produces over 3,000 chips per second? That's a mind-blowing 90 million chips in just 8 hours, enough to keep the world happily snacking all day long. Now grab your favorite flavor of Lay's, sit back, and let's dive into how those irresistible chips are made. Step 1. The potatoes arrive at the factory. Every great chip starts with the perfect potato. Lay's sources its potatoes from farms all around the country, picking only the best ones to ensure your chips are always fresh and crispy. In fact, Lay's works with hundreds of potato farmers in 25 different states to bring you those perfect spuds. When the potatoes arrive at the factory, they don't just get tossed straight into production. Nope, they go through a series of quality checks. Potatoes are randomly selected, tested for size, shape, and quality. The factory even tracks some potatoes by punching holes in them to monitor them throughout the cooking process. If too many potatoes don't meet Lay's strict standards, the whole truckload might be rejected. No bad potatoes here. Did you know that Lay's uses over 2 billion pounds of potatoes every year? That's enough to stretch a line of potatoes from New York to Los Angeles and back, 3 times. Second step 2, washing and peeling. Next up, it's bath time. The potatoes head to a giant washing machine where they're cleaned to remove dirt, stones, and any imperfections from the field. This machine gives the potatoes a thorough scrub, ensuring they're spotless before moving on. After their bubble bath, it's time for a shave. The potatoes are sent through an automatic peeling machine that spins them at high speed, removing the skins in just a few seconds. This machine can peel thousands of potatoes every hour, keeping the production line moving quickly. Did you know that the potato skins don't go to waste? Lay's repurposes them for animal feed or even uses them to create biodegradable products. So not only do we get delicious chips, but we're helping reduce waste and support sustainability. In fact, Lay's is committed to making their entire process more eco-friendly, from the potatoes they use to the packaging they create. Step 3. Slicing. Now that the potatoes are clean and peeled, it's time to slice them up. The potatoes are sent through razor-sharp slicers that transform them into those iconic thin slices. These machines are so precise they can slice hundreds of potatoes in just a few minutes. And here's a mind-blowing fact. Each slice is thinner than a piece of paper, only 1.3 millimeters thick. Some chips get the classic flat slice, while others are cut with rippled blades to make those ridged chips perfect for dips. Fun fact, in some countries, Lay's makes chips with special designs, like waffle cut or even crinkle cut, giving fans even more ways to enjoy their favorite snack. Step 4. Frying. Once the potatoes are perfectly sliced, it's time for some sizzle. The potato slices are dropped into huge vats of oil, heated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. In just a few minutes, the slices transform into the crispy golden chips we all love. Lay's chips are fried in a special blend of oils to ensure they have that light, crispy texture without being greasy. This blend includes sunflower, corn, and canola oils. And while the frying happens super quickly, the chips are constantly stirred to make sure each slice fries evenly. Step 5. Seasoning. The flavor magic. Now that the chips are crispy and golden, it's time to add the magic, the seasoning. The chips are sent to the seasoning station, where they get a perfectly measured coating of flavor. Whether you love classic salted sour cream and onion, or something spicy like Flamin' Hot, every bag is seasoned to perfection. Lay's has over 200 flavors worldwide, In the US, you can find flavors like barbecue, cheddar and sour cream, and salt and vinegar. But did you know Lay's has some wild flavors in other countries? There's cappuccino-flavored Lay's in China, ketchup-flavored in Canada, and even seafood-flavored chips in Thailand. Every region has its own unique tastes, so Lay's creates special flavors to match local preferences. In India, for example, you'll find flavors like magic masala and Spanish tomato tango. What's your favorite Lay's flavor? Let us know in the comments below. 6. Step 6. Packaging. Once the chips are seasoned, they're ready to be packaged. The conveyor belts weigh out the perfect amount of chips and drop them into bags. But before the bags are sealed, something interesting happens. The bags are filled with nitrogen. You might think it's just air, but nitrogen helps keep the chips fresh and prevents them from breaking during shipping. That air in your chip bag isn't just to fill space. It actually plays a huge role in protecting the chips and preserving their flavor. Lay's uses nitrogen because it's a harmless, natural gas that helps keep chips crispy from the factory to your kitchen. After the bags are filled and sealed, they're sent to be boxed and shipped to stores all over the world. Lay's makes over 200 million bags of chips each year. That's enough chips to stretch from the US to the moon and back. And there you have it, the complete journey from potato farm to your snack bowl. Every step is carefully managed, from selecting the best potatoes to frying, seasoning, and packaging. That's why every bag of Lay's is packed with flavor, crunch, and just the right amount of seasoning. Now we want to hear from you. What's your all-time favorite Lay's flavor? Are you a fan of the classic salted chips, or do you prefer something bold like Flamin' Hot? And if you could invent a new flavor, what would it be? Drop your answers in the comments. We love hearing your creative ideas. Before you go, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and hit that subscribe button for more fun videos from Fast Food Factory. We've got loads more delicious content on the way. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep crunching. We hope you enjoyed getting a crispy look behind the scenes of how Lay's potato chips are made. Now we want to hear from you. What should we dive into next on Fast Food Factory? How about taking a closer look at the process behind your favorite candy, like Reese's Peanut Butter Cups or Skittles? Or maybe you'd love to see how McDonald's fries get that perfect golden crunch, or how Taco Bell crafts its famous Crunchwrap Supreme. If you're more into sweets, we could explore how Krispy Kreme donuts get their glaze, or what goes into Ben & Jerry's iconic ice cream flavors. There's so much to uncover in the world of fast food and snacks, and we want to know what gets your mouth watering. Let us know in the comments which brands or foods you're curious about. Tap the notification bell so you never miss out on any of the delicious behind-the-scenes action. Whether it's candy, burgers, ice cream, or even breakfast favorites like Dunkin' Donuts, we've got plenty of exciting Food Factory tours coming your way. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next tasty adventure.